Yeah, Michael, what's up, man? Huh? Go cycling, tricycling outside? Competition? Racing? I don't know, man. My mom asked me to eat some food. Gerber, rice cereals first, man. Yeah, this is your brother. Yeah, this is your brother with a baby hood, man. Yeah, I'm saying, man. Yeah. We're gonna play around, man. We go no money here, no problem. Yeah. Peace, my brother. Peace. Peace. Let me have some milk first, man. Baby formula. My mom asked to have some formula first, man. Yeah, this stuff, man. This is stuff. No, we don't need to be bang gaming, man. We need to play with some toys. We don't play with guns. We play with toys, man. Play with toys. That's what we do. Yeah. I'll be sleeping outside in my bed, man. I'll be sleeping in my bed waiting for you, my brother. Yeah, when you get downstairs, call on me. You know, I'll be waiting for you, man. I'll be waiting for you. Outside, man. Peace, my brother. Peace. Nigel out.